I gave you my heart.
Okay guys, so for our sobolo, I have the hibiscus leaves, and I have my sugar, I have my ginger, clove. So with the clove, just a little bit, okay, because if you take too much, it's going to leave like kind of sour taste at the end. Okay, and this is chili pepper. So with the chili pepper, it's optional. You can choose to add it, you cannot choose to, but then you can't mess the ginger. Okay, so instead of pineapple, fresh pineapple, I'm going to use pineapple flavor. Okay, so this is the flavor that I have. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to use instead of a fresh pineapple. So if you have fresh pineapple, you are good to use it. Okay, all right, let's go. our sobolo is ready. Charlie, it is really good and nice. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV, and I will see you next time. Bye. Cheers. Okay.